So obviously, all the inbox are nowadays crowded with emails. So how do you make your Marketo email stand out?
Well, there's a couple of different options you can take. First of all, like I mentioned, the subject line. The subject line, I think, is obviously going to be the most important thing. And the way I look at it is you want to make it personalized. If you can put their name in the subject line, that always helps. And then offer a value add in that subject line. Hey, Bob, do you know what your widget is worth? Hey, Jane, have you been looking at purchasing X, Y, and Z product? Hey, James, here's from 5 reasons you should look at purchasing our product. Give them a reason in the subject line to open your email. I've worked at places that will just say, hey, monthly newsletter in the subject line. Do people really want to open that up? Do people really want to read that? Not necessarily. So you need to do that. Another tact you can take is vary your send times. We in the marketing community like to do our normal 8 to 10 a.m. send times on every single email, right? Which is exactly when everybody is busy at work doing their own thing. So I've experimented and I've actually found some of my best open rates come from emails that I send around dinner time, 6, 7, 8 p.m. That's when people are home, sitting in their couch, watching TV, playing on their phone, and they say, oh, hey, now I have time to open this email because I'm not working at this point. So then they'll start checking their emails. So that's another thing you can do. It's all about variation and don't forget about A/B testing as well. You want to see what test your send times, test your subject lines, and see what works best.